Okay, so apologies. I haven't done a live video in a long time. I don't know if anybody is seeing this or not. So yeah, it just took me a little while to figure out how to go live on Facebook since it has vastly changed since last time I've done this. And I'm recording this, so we'll record this and it'll go up on my YouTube. So if you'd rather just catch it there, you can just go to YouTube, type in Monkey Fab Garage, and see it off my page. And I can't help but stare at myself instead of staring at the camera, so forgive me. Let's see what we got going on. So I have to set up my computer here. So we're gonna go and open up the post for the raffle. I'm a bit miscombobulated because to be quite honest, I was a bit in panic mode trying to find the live video. Like, what's going on? Why won't this work? But I'm an idiot, so I mean that's to be expected. All right, so we got the this up, and you guys watching over there? So we're pulling up the names. We got 556 entries. Great. And let's see, what else do I need? I need to pull up random.org. random.org. Okay. We're going to go one. Sorry, whenever you're talking to yourself, you tend to talk quietly. So do you have anybody watching? There's 4 people watching. That's pretty good. Is there anybody like got anything to say? 556. So 1 through 556. Okay. Trey's watching. Hey Trey, what's going on? So we're gonna do the raffle drawing. I guess we'll let everybody's probably busy barbecuing and all that good stuff. So yeah. Give a minute maybe to let everybody kind of join in on the deal, and we'll see what's going on. So we only have 4. This is typical. You always think like, hey, I'll go live and there'll be like 500 people watching, but in reality there'll be like 3. It'll pop up in your feed. It'll be like someone's live and you'll be like, it's so played out, no one wants to watch that anymore, right? So you just click off or ignore. But this is big. This is for an HTP Invertig 221, which is a fabulous welder. It's the welder I use. And with it, it ships directly. It was paid for, right when we started the thing. So it's whomever wins today, I'll send the note to HTP tomorrow and let those guys know, hey, ship it to whomever won it, and it should be in the mail. So that's exciting stuff. It's a great welder, and you can always PM me if you need any of my settings, or you want to try out my settings, or you need help setting it up, all that good stuff. It's a great machine. I highly support them, and they supported us. They gave us a couple $100 off of the deal, which is money that inevitably went back to the veterans. So that's another thing I'd like to talk about. Being Memorial Day, I think it's a wonderful thing. This is a great way to kind of give back to those people. I know we're honoring those that have given the ultimate sacrifice, and there's no kind of like turning back the clock on that or getting a do-over. But what it does do, I think, is directly go to those veterans that are in need. So if you guys don't know about Camp Hope and the PTSD Foundation of America, they are based out here in Houston, and they have a campus where they have, I don't know how many people, I would guess probably around 100 or so at any given time, and they do like a peer-led kind of recovery program, or help service program, however you want to call that. And what they do is they take the in soldiers that are at the brink, or hopefully there before they get there, and they put them through a program that helps them reintegrate, get rid of whatever demons are haunting them, and gets them back into society. And that's a win, because those are good people. Sometimes good people get broken, and they just need a little bit of extra help, and that'll get them, people with lots of life experiences back into, our society, to share their wisdom, their knowledge, and continue on with, their service, whether that be to, public service or private service. Ultimately, that's a good thing to have. So I just want to say, thank you. I'm so incredibly grateful to everybody that's participated, all my friends and family that have joined in to help. I know it's a big ask yeah, to do this, and that doesn't go unnoticed. And I understand that, we raised over, it was like $556. Two of that goes back to pay for the machine, the part that HTP didn't donate and the part that I didn't pay for. But so $2,000 for the machine. That leaves $3,556 that's going to be cut in a cashier's check, and we're going to go down there to Camp Hope, and I'm going to hand Jim a check. And these guys, that's what they do. They specialize in this. So that's money well spent. Every dollar that is going to affect veterans that are struggling in a positive way. So with that, my original goal was $2,000. I kind of felt like that was a big ask to begin with, and I know it was, but you guys just blew it out of the water. And I tend to think there was a bit of maybe shadow banning going on with the Facebook account because it was a raffle, and I just didn't get the reach that I would have liked to have gotten out of this. I know I've done this a couple times and it just blew up with kind of a lower quality type machine. So even with and that's fine. I understand if Facebook doesn't want people running raffles on their platform, that's their business, and I'm not mad about it. But it was definitely harder this time to break through, to get the reach that we usually get. But yeah, $3,556. Or $5,060. Yeah, I'll try to get it right. Yeah, so it's going to be $3,560. That we're going to be able to write a check for. And with that said, that's $1,560 more than what I reached for, what I asked you guys for. And with that, I thought that it'd be appropriate to try to give back a little bit more of myself to you guys for helping me out. Instead of just having one prize, I'm going to add 5 t-shirts or hoodies. So my hoodie collection is limited. I don't buy them but maybe once a year and do it like on a prepaid kind of deal, but I have a few in various sizes. So if you win the t-shirt, you can get your choice of the t-shirt or the hoodie. If I have the hoodie in your size, I know I have t-shirts. It might not be the color you like, but I have it in small to 5XL, so from super small to our larger fans and followers, we got you covered on that. The hoodies can be kind of hit and miss. I think I only have maybe 5 or 6 of them, and I might not have all sizes. So that'll go as people contact me back. I'll PM everybody after the drawing and let them know who won. So we got the machine itself. We got 5 t-shirts or hoodies. I'm going to give away a GLS stubby gas lens kit. So whoever wins that can pick, whether they want 12, a 16, or 20, and it comes along with the adapter to go from number 17, which is the torch most people have, to to adapt that cup to the smaller cups if you want to use those tools. And lastly, but not least, is a $100 gift card to Monkey Fab. So if you win that, I'll contact you and let you know what your code is. Sorry about the shakiness. My arm is getting worn out here. I'll let you know what the deal is and how to redeem that with a coupon code, so you'll have $100. So we're going to go down the list like those items. So the first pick will be for the machine on random.org. I got it all punched up. We'll hit generate, and it'll generate a number, and that number will be matched with whomever that is, and they win the HTP machine. And then that number is taken out of, if I hit that number again, obviously, which would be pretty. Anyway, so if we do hit that number again, never mind. You already won something, and you will roll again if that makes sense to everybody. So big machine, and then t-shirts and torch parts and a gift certificate. Okay, so I appreciate you guys hanging in here with Memorial Day. I know you guys got barbecuing to do, and we'll flip this around. So this is the first drum roll. Let me zoom in with my camera since I'm gonna put this up on the YouTubes. Can we get it? Okay, so our first is for the machine, and we got 1 through 50. Let me just make sure I'm right. 1 through 556. 1 through 556. Okay, so we are going to hit generate, and 105. So 105, you are the winner. Let's see who that is. It's kind of a big win. It's a great machine. Dun, 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 dun. We're getting there, getting there, getting there. 105 is Stephen Savidi. He's my buddy out of, I think he's in Georgia. This guy is a veteran of the Army. He's an engineer, even though he's not airborne. We'll have to give him some credit. I think he's air assault, and he teaches young ROTC college students that are becoming officers and going into the service. So congratulations, Stephen. That's a big win. Happy for you. So 105, that's the machine. We got a t-shirt up next, and that's 274. 274. And that is Dustin Sullivan. 274. I'm shaking. This is so exciting. So you get a t-shirt or a hoodie, Dustin. I'll contact you and let you know. The next one is 422. So 422 is Stephen Birdsong. Congratulations, Stephen. T-shirt or hoodie. And moving along, we got another t-shirt. It is 411. And what is 411? 411 is Matthew Pruger. 411. Congratulations, Matthew. And another t-shirt, 254. 254 is 254 is Fowler Speed and Performance, my friend Joey. 254. Okay, oops, I already wrote that, so we don't need it twice. So congratulations, Joey. It's funny, a lot of these people I know, but that's bound to happen because all these people are people I beat up for money for this in the first place. 291, last t-shirt or hoodie. 291 is Josh Calvin. Congratulations, Josh. Stubby gas lens kit is 20. Bank day. Let's go up to 20, and 20 is Damian Malowski. Congratulations, Damian, on the GLS Fab Stubby kit. And the last winner, $100 gift certificate from Monkey Fab, is 406. And that is 406 Buck Limone. 406. Congratulations, Buck. All right, so we only had 9 viewers live, but hey, that's okay. We accomplished a great thing on Memorial Day, and that's raising $3,560 for vets that are, maybe in need. Man, my arm is so shaky today. I apologize. So that is a win in my book, and everybody should sleep well tonight and enjoy their Memorial Day, knowing that on this day meant to honor our veterans, our fallen veterans, that you are doing your part to make sure that we don't lose any unnecessarily. So I appreciate that, and I appreciate everybody, and we'll get all these out, get the messages out to those winners. Congratulations. Until next time, this is Mike with Monkey Fab, signing out.